Welcome back to the channel. Mechanical keyboards have evolved with hot swappable switches, wireless connectivity, and premium keycaps. Today, we're breaking down the top mechanical keyboards of 2025, perfect for gaming, work, and everything in between. And if you want to check out any of these, all the product links are in the description below. The Cooler Master MK770 Macaron is a vibrant, feature-packed keyboard designed for gamers and enthusiasts who love customization. Equipped with Kail Box Phi two-click white switches, it provides crisp, tactile feedback with a satisfying clicky sound. The gasket structure offers a soft and bouncy typing feel, reducing strain during long sessions. With hot swappable switch compatibility, you can customize your typing experience by swapping out switches easily. The three-way dial control adds quick access to volume, RGB brightness, and scrolling, while the Bluetooth 2.4 GHz wireless and wired options give you seamless connectivity. Looking for a customizable RGB gaming keyboard with premium switches? Check the link in the description. The Nufier 75 V2 is a super slim, lightweight, and versatile 75% mechanical keyboard that's perfect for travel, work, and gaming. It features Gateron red switches, offering smooth keystrokes and a quiet, linear feel, ideal for both fast typists and gamers. With Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C connectivity, it's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it one of the most versatile keyboards for productivity. The RGB backlighting adds a touch of personalization, while the low-profile design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. Need a wireless, ultra-slim mechanical keyboard for work and gaming? Check the link below. The EPA Ajaz AK820 Pro is a gasket-mounted 75% keyboard designed for smooth keystrokes and an ultra-responsive feel. It features a TFT smart display and knob, allowing you to customize settings, monitor system performance, and control volume or lighting on the fly. The hot swappable PCB lets you change switches effortlessly, while the Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes ensure seamless multi-device connectivity. If you love custom keyboards with unique features, this one stands out with its built-in display and premium build. Want a futuristic keyboard with a smart display? Check the link in the description. If you need a high-performance compact keyboard for gaming, the G.Skill KM 250 RGB is a top-tier choice. With a 65% 67-key layout, it offers a minimalist design without sacrificing essential gaming keys. The PBT dual-injection keycaps ensure long-lasting durability, while the RGB lighting effects give you customization options for your setup. It features fast and responsive mechanical switches, making it a great choice for competitive gaming. Looking for a compact, high-performance gaming keyboard? Check the link below. The AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard is a hot swappable custom keyboard with a gasket-mounted structure for ultra-smooth keystrokes. It comes with pre-lubed linear switches, offering effortless typing and gaming performance. With RGB backlighting, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, it's built for both gaming and office setups. If you love customizing switches and keycaps, this keyboard offers a premium feel with tons of flexibility. Want a fully customizable keyboard with pre-lubed switches? Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you love tech and gaming gear reviews, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Check the description for links, and we'll see you in the next video.